Today we're going to be doing part 3, the last part of a 3-part series on how to activate, maintain, and bake your gluten-free sourdough. Remember, we offer 4 different types of sourdoughs: rye, whole wheat, San Francisco style, and gluten-free. Check out our comparison video to find out which one's best for you, but keep watching this video for a quick and easy way to make a beautiful loaf of gluten-free sourdough bread. Let's get to it. Prepare your starter 8 to 12 hours before you bake. Do this by removing a half a cup of starter from your fridge and adding a half a cup of brown rice flour and a half a cup of water. Let it sit for 8 to 12 hours and then use a half cup of this starter in your recipe. Save the remaining starter to put back in your starter culture in the fridge to keep that culture going for the next week. Combine your olive oil, water, and honey. Mix the flours with the salt. Whisk the eggs in a separate bowl and then add them to the oil, water, honey mixture. Mix the brown rice, flour, sourdough starter into the oil, water, honey mixture. Add the liquid mixture to the dry mixture in parts. Add a little stir, add a little more, stir, until all the liquid mixture is incorporated into the dry mixture. Be sure to mix very well. Grease your bread pan and pour your mixture into your bread pan. Be sure not to overfill the pan. Allow the dough to rise in a warm location. Keep in mind that sourdough starter is not as quick of a leavener as regular commercial yeast is, so you want to give your dough at least 4 hours to proof and expand. Our gluten-free sourdough has proofed, and we've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so we're ready to put it in and bake for about 40 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven and from the pan. Cool upside down on a wire rack for at least an hour. Make sure to let your bread cool before you cut it. We know that everybody wants some fresh, warm, delicious sourdough, but we promise it's so worth waiting to cool. The integrity and the structure of the bread is so much nicer if you just let it cool. So make sure you do that and then cut yourself a slice and enjoy. And that's it. Once your sourdough is cooled and cut, it's ready to enjoy. If you're not sure how to get here, check out our earlier 2 videos where we show you how to activate and maintain your cultures. And of course, if you want to make more than just the 2 loaves that we made here today, check the link in the description below for more recipes and share your experiences. We love seeing recipes and loaves and pictures and all of the good stuff that you guys are doing. So tag us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and keep fermenting.